Hi everybody, this is Saucy, the Towboat chef. Today, we're making Dutche apple pie, towboat style. And let me explain towboat style. Towboat style means I may not have all the ingredients, or I don't have the time to make certain things from scratch. Like today, what I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using a deep pie crust that was frozen. It's been defrosted and already par cooked, meaning it par baked, meaning it's already been partially cooked in the oven. So, and just follow the instructions, and you'll see what I'm talking about. All right, be right back, and let me show you all the ingredients. Okay, first we start off with approximately 4 to 5 Granny Smith apples, sliced and diced up. It's approximately 5.5 cups of apples. All right, then we're going to be adding half cup of sugar, a quarter cup of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of flour, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. Of course, there's the pre-baked pie crust, or par-baked as they call it, because it's not cooked all the way through. Then we got a 1/3 cup of room temperature butter, a quarter cup of sugar, quarter cup of brown sugar. Make sure the brown sugars are packed, and 3/4 cups of flour. You can use your pastry thing to make this topping, or you can use your fingers. I'll probably use my fingers because it'll be a lot quicker. Alright, let's get it all together and get it started. Be right back. Okay, let's get everything mixed together. Brown sugar, white sugar, flour, half a teaspoon, oops, wrong side, and a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. I love nutmeg. Does anybody remember what else I use nutmeg for? Want to know? I'll post at the end of the video a link to the video I did for breakfast. Mix this all up really good. Make sure you get it all coated really good. Now see, on the towboat, if I didn't have any apples, I would use also the canned apple pie filling. It won't take as long to cook because it's pretty much pre-cooked. Mostly just get the everything browned up. Alright, it's all mixed in together. And of course, we pour it into our pie crust. Of course, Saucy is always making a mess. Get it all in there. Yes, it's going to look like it's overflowing, but you got to spread it out. A good apple pie is kind of thick anyways. Press it down in. You got to remember, it's going to shrink some as it cooks. Procedure. Got your butter, flour, brown sugar, and white sugar. I'm going to start off doing it this way so don't make a mess on my fingers. After it gets all a little bit crumbly, scrape it all in, of course. This is, on this boat here, this captain loves this pie. He's been looking forward to it. I had to wait till I got groceries. Which, by the way, I had a beautiful video. Took the SD card out of the camera and put it in my phone to do the editing. Guess what happened? The phone didn't recognize it. It was a new SD card that I forgot to format and have it to be recognized by the phone. So, did it corrupt? It sure the hell did. So, that's like the 4th try I've had trying to do a grocery order. I promise y'all, next time I get groceries, maybe 5 is a charm. Alright, now let's start crumbling with the fingers. Get it all up in here. There, see it starts looking like that? Then you start just crumbling it on. I know it don't look like much, but it will cover this whole thing. If I have to, I'll make more. Yep, looks like we have to make more. No, I can get this spread out. Alright, be right back because I'm definitely going to have to get more. Alright. For some reason, it is not working. Okay, let's continue on now. I had a pause there for a little bit because a deckhand came in. This is done early in the morning, and of course they're all waking up. They want breakfast. No, so these are the ones. This is way past breakfast time. It's about an hour past breakfast time. So I told them, I said, don't make a habit of this. I'm finishing covering this up. And there we go. And nice. It's going to be nice and crumbly on there. Alright. Be back in a moment. Okay, we're good. Make sure your oven is turned on to 375. Put it in for 40 to 50 minutes. I gotta be careful I don't burn myself. I'm very good at that. Alright, see you in about less than an hour. Hey everyone. Okay, camera's shaky because the boat is shaky. So hopefully, here, let me see if I can hold this still. There we go. Alright. I made a big boo-boo when I made more of the topping. I was thinking of the insides in reference to the flour. I realized what I did after I had already put it in the oven. I thought, wait a minute, that didn't look right. So I pulled it back out of the oven. I scraped that topping off. I added some more flour because it wasn't crumbing up like it was supposed to. It kept bothering me. But anyways, Towboat style, I fixed it. Alright, let's take a look at it. Doesn't that look yummy? See, it's all crumbly now. And it looks good. Alright. You know what? Stay tuned. I'll show you a quick sneak peek to tomorrow's video. And it's going to be another dessert. I want to thank you all. Alright, now let's do this right. I want to thank you all for supporting this channel. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're a new subscriber and you did enjoy this video, click on subscribe. Click on that notification button as well. You know what? Hold on. Blooper. I had an extra apple and I felt like I had one in the corner of my mouth. Alright. Enough of the bloopers. Let's do this again. Click on the notification bell so you can get all my videos when they come up. Now, please also understand, I'm out on a towboat. I'm out in the middle of the river. I do have a lot of dead time, or dead zone. And sometimes it takes 12 to 14 hours to upload just a less than 10-minute video. So bear with me. The videos will be coming. I'm going to be uploading as much as I can when I can. Alright? You all have an awesome day. Alright, you all have an awesome day. God, mind blank. Hey, I'm on the boat. I got a lot of things going on in my head right now. Okay? We'll try this again. You all have an awesome day. Bye-bye now.